After staying in and around the Mojave Desert for almost 2 weeks, I decided to drive up the coast along Highway 1. Passing no man's land, and big cities. As I was driving further north, in Oregon, I chose to stay a couple nights in the deep, endless woods. And by the time I reached the Washington part of the Pacific Northwest, I found myself in questioning why I decided to change my life completely. And for the first time in a long time, I found myself feeling lonely. Last year, I not only lost the love of my life as it's been till then, my dad passed away pretty suddenly, as did a friend. And all I did since then was running away from life, from everybody, and from myself. My whole life just turned upside down. I couldn't imagine living somewhere steadily. So the truck camper seemed to be the right way. But I questioned myself, do I run away again? And I've come to the conclusion that this time it's different. I promised myself then and there that I will allow myself to heal. And this solitude really pushes me into feeling and listening to my thoughts. And I decided that this time I will listen. And as we're in the Pacific Northwest, I want to end this episode in a city that's really close to my heart, and that city is Seattle. cheers from the road, and thank you for watching, following, and I'll see you on the next episode.